Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about SokuSwap. SokuSwap is a decentralized exchange that lives on Ethereum network and the Venus smart chain. It uses automated market maker smart contracts to create liquidity pools on both ERC20 token and BEP20 tokens. This allows users to trade using an algorithm versus an order book used on conventional exchange. SokuSwap reserves are pooled among liquidity providers who supply the exchange with token in exchange for a share of the transaction fee. SokuSwap is its utilized registry contract to facilitate exchange between different currencies. The system mechanism ensures traders between cryptocurrency are based on their relative supply. The platform is designed to be easy to use, support privacy, lower gas fees. SokuSwap is designed for traders and perform exceptionally well as a component of other smart contracts that require guaranteed on-chain liquidity. The SokuSwap liquidity token represents the provider's contribution to the liquidity pool. These are ERC20 coins or BEP20 tokens, depending on which chain they provide liquidity to. These tokens allow liquidity providers to sell their liquidity or transfer it between accounts without affecting the liquidity in the pool. Liquidity tokens are printed and sent to the address of the liquidity provider. They represent the provider's contribution to the pool. These tokens are easy to share and can be burned at any time to return a proportional market share to the supplier. The provider keeps deposit in reserve and issue new liquidity tokens. Adding liquidity involves depositing the equivalent value of Ethereum and ERC20 or Venus coin and BEP20 tokens into the appropriate exchange contract. Initial liquidity providers determine the initial exchange rate by depositing what they believe in proportional to the value of the coins and tokens. If the initial rate is low, the arbitrage trader will bring the rate to equilibrium at the expense of the initial provider. Liquidity providers can choose to burn their liquidity tokens to make their contribution to the pool. BEP20 tokens and Venus coin tokens are withdrawn according to the prevailing market price, not the rate at the time of investment. This means that some value can be gained or lost due to the market fluctuation and arbitrage. Trading fees are added to the liquidity pool without creating new liquidity token. Let's talk about the tokenomics of SokuSwap. Total supply of token 222.2 million and total token available for sale is 111.1 million. Total soft cap 100k Soku and hard cap also 100k Soku. This token is distributed in 6 categories. 20% of this token is for rewards, 4% of this token is for adversary, 8% of this token is for foundation, 3% of this token is for bounties, 15% of this token is for team, 50% of this token is for public sale. Their funds is replacement for 5 categories. 15% for operation, another 15% for legal and compliance, 10% for education program, 20% for marketing, and 40% for development. All tokens sold during the pre-sale will be staked for 30 days. You will receive a as-soken token which can be exchanged for 1 as-soku token is to 1 Soku token. You can exchange your as-soku token for Soku tokens after 30 days of using SokuSwap. As-soku can only be exchanged for Soku and not for other tokens. SokuSwap's online scavenger hunt aims to engage its community members with an activity they can enjoy while getting a chance to win a significant amount of Soku tokens. The activity aims to drive participants on the quest to find 10 items scattered across the web through hidden clues and steps. Each step completed with reveal a hint for the next step. No purchase is necessary for players, and nor does purchasing anything increase their chances of winning the game. So a question can come to your mind that how can you participate in this program? Anyone can participate in the tasks detailed in the SokuSwap scavenger hunt with their name and an email ID. Once the details are entered, user can continue with the hunt. Every time a step is completed, the platform reveals a hint for the next step. The hunt is open for individuals of 18 years of age or older as of April 19, 2021. Employees of its respective affiliates, subsidiaries, dealers or retailers, advertising, production and promotion agencies, and the independent judging organizations, the immediate families, and members of the same household of each are not eligible. The contest is void wherever prohibited or restricted by law. The price of this program is $1 million in Soku token. The platform will notify winners via email. Participants need to provide their names, address, email address, phone number, and other information to receive the reward. If you miss the chance, it will be loss for you. So hurry up guys, grab the opportunity to earn $1 million in Soku token now. Thank you all